Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we've got updates in relation to XRP. That is an absolute given on my channel. What is going on with the SEC lawsuit? BlackRock hitting a massive milestone for their Bitcoin holdings. They're just buying the dip like crazy. Obviously, we've got updates in relation to Sheba, Inu, and Dogecoin, the two meme coins that I actually do hold. Scaramouche, the mooch, putting out some interesting price predictions for Bitcoin as well. Just looking at my other screen, and I'm going to show you this as well. We've got interesting updates coming out from Google, basically allowing the Bitcoin ETFs to start advertising now, which is going to be good. What else we've got here? We've got Hedera news as well. We're going to go through my 3COMMAS trading bots, which have been really nice the last couple of days. That's on OKEx, and we'll get through all of that as well as some interesting interviews on X as well. So make sure you stick around. Let's get into it, Bulls. All right, let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. It is the 28th of January, and I'm going to go straight to the community tab. No BS. These are the trading bot results, okay? We've got, let's just go back here, I should say, 24th, okay? This is the 24th of Jan. We made 307. No BS on my channel, all right? The 25th was a loss. It was down 112. But if we go to the next day, $542. That's on the 26th. And of course, the 27th, which was yesterday, $156. Now, I don't know about you. That totals $1,006 additional income in a week. Really goes to help pay the bills. All right. So that is all in the Wall Street Bull University, ladies and gentlemen. You can go and join up to that and see exactly what's going on there. And you can copy the 3COMMAS bots on OKEx. No BS. All right. Now, a lot of, YouTubers and influencers post up, their trading, staying in positions for a while. That's completely fine, but I'm more in and out in terms of cash flow. That's very important for me, and I'm sure a lot of you as well. Anyway, moving on, top altcoins in the portfolio, Luna, ICP, Ubix Network. We had Lunk and Rose. Very, very nice. And yeah, I put up this post, and it's getting a lot of heat. I love putting up these XRP price predictions just to get everybody worked up. And by the way, my on-air sign is not on. There we go. Very, very nice. So we've had another price prediction here of it potentially going to $499.98. Call it $500, right? I'm having a bit of fun with this. Relax. There's a lot of comments. There's 43 comments saying, oh, I'm losing trust in your channel. Chill. Just chill. We're having fun. This is what it's about. You got to have fun while you're investing, because it just gets boring otherwise. But anyway, Shannon Thorpe right here, a business development manager at Wells Fargo, shared an optimistic outlook on XRP. And basically what she has said, right, is that the total cross-border payments market could reach $250 trillion by 2027. Now, people need to understand, a lot of us are going online, right? There's a lot of e-commerce, international trade, you name it, currency conversions going on. So yes, I do agree the fact that it could potentially hit $250 trillion easily, literally, by 2027. Who knows? We're probably going to have flying cars by then, all right? Elon Musk's going to have flying cars. But $250 trillion, yeah, that could hit $500 XRP. That's, anything is possible. Chill, all right? Now, we've obviously got Grayscale as well. That's yesterday, but the record lowest outflow since day one. They have dropped significantly. Thank God that has slowed down, right? Now, moving on to CoinMarketCap, we've got $1.63 trillion in the market. Again, $32 billion. It is Sunday, so the markets are always quiet over the weekends. Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously sitting at Bitcoin 50%, Ethereum at 16%. I cannot wait for that to be flipped by XRP or Solana. Just any other crypto but Ethereum should be in the top two right there. Now, prices, Bitcoin's trading at 42,551. We've got Ethereum at 2,290 US dollars. Solana's at 98. I did buy that when it collapsed with FTX, just putting that out there, so I'm sitting on gains already. XRP's at 53 cents. Cardano's at 49 cents. AVAX $36. Doge is at 8 cents as well. I'm still holding on to my Doge, or a big portion of it anyway. Matic's at 80 cents. ICP $12. I did buy that and dollar cost average at around about $140, so let that one sink in. Scrolling down, XLM is 11 cents. We have Optimism at $3, which is bullish. Hedera at 7 cents. Very, very nice. There is some updates about Hedera as well. Scrolling down, let's have a look. We've got Say. I do hold that at 67 cents. ALGO's at 16 cents. Quant, $108. Scrolling down, Theta at $1. I was dollar cost averaging at that at $14. We're not even in the full-blown bull market yet. It's just started, so chill. IOTA's at 25 cents. Scrolling down, Rose at 10 cents. Flare is at 2 cents as well. Their staking rewards are quite good at the moment. That's just taking off. So I do hold Flare, of course. And Gala is at 2 cents. XDC sitting at 4 cents as well. Now, moving on to the Wall Street Bull University. Yes, this is my official Patreon page. If you have not joined yet, go join up. The link is below. No BS on this. I put up a lot of information in here, 1,703 posts of juicy financial information, all right? It would be considered financial advice on YouTube. That is the reason why I've got my Patreon. Anyway, a lot goes up in here, my buys on my crypto, my sells on my crypto, my trading on my crypto, indicators. I've got all kinds of bots in here. Also, more importantly, the full setup guides for the 3COMMAS dollar cost averaging bots and the signal bots are all up in here. You can literally copy all of my bots that I've got on 3COMMAS, which is, using in conjunction with OKEx. It's completely up to you. There's a lot of information in here, bulls, and also my dividend portfolio, the dollar cost averaging buys into those dividend monthly paying stocks goes up in here as well. Today, I actually just put up, excuse me, a post in regards to some stocks, which I'm extremely bullish on. And had you invested like 200K into this, you'd be generating some serious income. So it's all up in the Wall Street Bull University, all right? So go join up. I love speaking with everyone in the chat feature. And you can also directly message me in here, which is really, really nice. Having a sip of water because I'm getting choked up. Anyway, more importantly, I've kept it at $5 US a month. Which is nothing compared to what people have made anyway with my dollar cost averaging bots on 3COMMAS. Just ridiculous. Now, there is a free membership to this as well. You will get access to information. I do post a lot up there in the free stuff as well. But if you want access to those bots and the stocks that I'm purchasing, it's nothing in reality. All right, I'm putting that out there. Now, going to 3COMMAS. All right, these is obviously the 3COMMAS bots. Now, again, I've got a lot of multi-bots set up here. Like a lot. Okay, so I've got obviously my ISO coins. In actual fact, let me just expand this because you're going to see all of the bots. I've got a lot active. I've got 52 bots running at the moment. It's a lot. Now, I've got multi-bots set up, both long and short, on 8x leverage, some on 10x leverage. All of these, by the way, are using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. Just making that clear. You can use whatever indicators you want. You can copy all of my bots. It's up to you. Looking at the profits, though, let me just bring this up to the top profit. Let me just change this right here so you can see what is actually going on here if it wants to load. Okay, all right. So the multi-bots in total, this is all in USDT, okay? 18,000, 6,000, 4,000, 3,000, 1,000 USDT. Crazy stuff. Now, where the smaller profits come in is where the single pairs trade. Again, I'm trading Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic. I've got Solana, Doge. We have Litecoin. We've got Pepe. Again, I don't hold Pepe. I'll just trade it on 15x leverage. So be careful. If you're an emotional trader, stay away from 15x leverage. Don't even trade with leverage. Just trade the spot market. I'm trading Gala. We've got Bitcoin Cash. We have Link. We've got CFX here. We've got Aptos, WorldCoin. I'm trading all of basically the top 50 altcoins, right? The more volatile, the better. Now, I do have a couple of errors here because, again, all my capital's tied up. But anyway, very, very bullish. Love the platform. I've been using it for 2.5 years. Now, I'm using the monthly membership. If you do use the annual, you'll get a discount on that as well. Let's have a look at subscription here so you can see. Just bringing this up now. Okay, you will get 25% off if you use that code down below. Just click the link. You're going to get that for $57 a month. Basically works out to a few $100s a year. Or monthly is $76 a month, which is what I do. Pro plan. Bullish as anything. Now, quickly going to OKEx, an official partner of the channel. Let's have a look here. I've currently got open orders 102. Just opened a new one now. And I've currently got 27 USDT in profits right there, which is nice. 102 positions, right? I should say open orders. Then we come to the open positions. There are 60 open positions at the moment trading. It's absolutely bullish. This trades for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Put in my parameters, which is all in the Patreon, and it just trades for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It would be impossible literally to trade 60 positions, right? Here are all the position histories, taking 1.5% profits. You can see on the screen in the green. Some of these are at $1.70, $6, $3. You know what? Let's just show you this, right? Because I want you guys to see this, so there's no BS on my channel. Here is the profits taken today. All right, look at them all. Look at it all. This is page 1. Scrolling up here, we've got page 2. All profits. Let's have a look here. We've got one loss at 1 cent. Right? Let's have a look here. Keep going down to page 4. We've got another one there. Loss. And 2 ones here of 1 cent. We've got more gains. I mean, this just goes on and on. Yes, my account's going to love this. But anyway, that is pretty bullish, ladies and gents. Going to my assets now again. I'm currently up 96 USDT on the day. And on the 6 months here, we're up 5,890 USDT. That's 37%, which is bullish as well. So this is actual stuff. Go check it out. It's in the Wall Street Bull University. Very, very bullish. Quick look at the news. XRP, SEC, Ripple await the court ruling on motion to compel, which is interesting. And again, the XRP declined. I'm not worried about that. I'm still dollar cost averaging. But the SEC versus Ripple case, all right? And on Thursday, Judge Annalisa Torres granted Ripple motion to file a SIR reply letter. The SIR reply letter highlighted the SEC's mischaracterizations in motion to compel filing, and Ripple opposes the SEC to motion to compel. The SEC asked the court to order Ripple to provide the following financial statements for 22 and 23, post-complaint contracts governing XRP sales to institutional investors. They're just trying to pin these institutional sales. And they're progressing through the remedies-related discovery, and obviously that concludes on February 12th. And let's see what happens here. But the SEC and Ripple will argue for it and against a punitive penalty for breaching the Section 5 of the Securities Act. And March 13, 2024, the deadline for the SEC to file remedy-related brief. April 12th, the deadline for Ripple to file its opposition to the SEC remedy-related brief. April 19th, the deadline for the SEC to file its reply, if any, to the Ripple opposition brief. After the filings, Judge Torres will decide the penalty for breaching securities laws. A ruling could come up in the summer. Upon conclusion of the Ripple case, Ripple and the SEC can appeal against any ruling. So this is just going to freaking drag right along. But anyway, the main crux of this and the main thing is XRP is not a security. We have BlackRock, Larry Fink right there. Look at him. Needs to look happy. But anyway, the ETF, I believe it's IBIT, has hit $2 billion of assets under management, which is insane. A milestone in 2 weeks. $2 billion. That's a lot of money. And BlackRock is emerging as a titan in the crypto industry. The financial giant now manages $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. And BlackRock's new ETF is the first among issuers to reach this milestone, which is nuts. Scrolling down, we've got 3 mega Sheba Inu whales accumulate in trillions amid explosive price outlook as a massive Sheba Inu burn is expected. Now, again, they do need to burn a significant amount of Sheba Inu. I'm still holding on to mine. Let's see what happens with that. But whales are accumulating. And I just want to point out, if whales are accumulating, when there's a slight price movement, again, with Sheba Inu, because they've got significant capital invested into it, of course, they're going to make big money. That's just what happens. Doge could go this high if it gains 1% of the total crypto market cap, right? And again, it could potentially jump to $15.67, or I should say, jump by 15.67 billion, sorry, reaching 27 billion. This could push Doge's price to 18 cents. Now, again, I'm still holding on to my Sheba Inu. Sorry, real correction there, guys. Just making that because I've just been a long day, but 18 cents. I'm still holding that. I sold off a significant portion of my Doge and put it into Bitcoin when it was about 80 cents Australian, just putting that out there, and I'm still holding on to the rest of it. So let's see if it happens again. Hedge fund veteran Scaramouche, the mooch, says Bitcoin will skyrocket to $170,000 after the halving, which is interesting right here. And he said here, you have mentioned my $170,000 prediction. That's the data-dependent prediction. Go back and look at Bitcoin's halving cycles. The day that Bitcoin halves, multiply it by 18 months later, and it's been uncanny that it's been the price of Bitcoin. I'm using a $35,000 number at the halving, and that's conservative. Let's say we're at $50,000 in April, and then it's at $200,000 handle. Let's say we're at $60,000, it will be $240,000. Scaramucci also predicts that in the long term, Bitcoin's price will hover close to $500,000. But my long-term price prediction is that Bitcoin gets to easily half of the market cap of gold. Gold is now $14.5 trillion. If Bitcoin goes to 7 to 8 trillion, that's a 10x from here. It's a 400,000 US dollar Bitcoin. And I think that it would be ridiculous for people not to understand the asset, not to understand the dynamics and store of value, and not have a position, which again, I agree, right? Moving on, Bitcoin ETF abs may appear on Google starting on Monday. So that's, Tuesday in Australia, which is bullish. It's just going to get more people involved. Can't wait for that. Bullish. Well done, Google. Hedera as well shines a record-breaking 164 million daily transactions. Market cap reaches $2.9 billion. Well done, Hedera. I'm incredibly bullish. The governance board is insane, and this is an absolute gem in my opinion, which is nice. So $2.9 billion in market cap again, which has surpassed the overall crypto market's growth rate of 54%, signifying Hedera's growth in influence right here, which is nice to see that. CryptoMeed.io, let me refresh this because this freaking website changes all the time. Let's see where the money's going. We've got the buyer flow money going into Ethereum. We have Solana, we have AVAX, Injective, XRP, nice. We have ICP, Chainlink, Yuma, and Magic. Quickly looking at X. Now, I've just broken 6,008 followers. Thank you so much. That's incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are not following me on X, go follow me, ladies and gents. It's awesome. And posting up a bit of long-form content on here as well. Again, I've just gone through those important deadlines for the SEC vs Ripple case. Jim Cramer, have a listen to this, all right?
Supposed to bring in many, many new investors. Billions upon billions.
Listen to Jim Cramer. Come on, just listen to him.
Ahead of the suckers who would buy the ETP when it was launched. But you know what? Here's one that shocked me. A sucker isn't born every minute. The launch has been tepid, to say the least. In fact, there's been an actual outflow of crypto ETP money for the past few days. Overall, less than $1 billion
Grayscale, mate. Grayscale.
Money has come in to these new spot Bitcoin ETPs since they started trading 2 weeks ago, when people thought there would be tens of billions of dollars coming in. You know, the entire market cap of Bitcoin was $487 billion on June 14th when BlackRock filed for their ETP, and then it rallied to $920 billion right before the spot ETP started trading, as Bitcoiners all over the world ran ahead of all the suckers who were supposed to come in and take them out of the trade. Well, now Bitcoin's up huge amount, and the expected boom is a bust. That means Bitcoin speculators are up huge, and the legendary Larry Williams, who predicted the exact top, is now saying that people are getting still one more chance to sell Bitcoin. But then it's all over but the shouting. Man, you know what? You can buy a lot of cashmere sweaters, a whole closet of them with that pricey Bitcoin. But the bottom line, as Wall Street increasingly realizes it's time to ring the register, ka-ching, ka-ching, I'm begging you to take something off the table if you haven't done so already. It's the disciplined thing to do. I am not saying sell everything. I am not saying get out now. I am saying do a little schnitzeling, and you will regret it. Austin in Pennsylvania.
How has this guy even got a TV show? I just, whatever. But by the way, did you see the bull sweater that's there? That's really cool. I like that bull sweater, Jimmy. Thanks, mate. Anyway, Casper as well. Nick, thank you for this tweet. But so everyone is under the impression that Casper is dead because of the IPWE news. Don't forget that they are building Brave AI, I should say, with IBM. which is a huge endeavor. Also, they have 40 NDAs in place, non-disclosure agreements, which was announced during Davos. By the way, Casper is building out the quantum financial system as well with IBM and, I should say, Alphabet or Google. Very, very nice. We have Strike CEO as well. He's always bullish on Bitcoin. Yeah, I agree. The place is going to collapse, the United States. Listen to this.
Bitcoin's price equals technology plus fiat liquidity. So it's going to go up because it's innovative tech and it's better money. But what really shoots it up at a neck-breaking pace is when our government is tens of trillions of dollars in debt and has to roll that debt over. So they got a lot of money to print and financial assets are going to soar. And Bitcoin goes up the most because it's the hardest to make more of. It's over, man. This thing's going to the moon.
Yep. I agree. I do agree with that again. Flare staked hits a record high of 4 billion, which is nice as well to see that. And I do hold my Flare. I'm not staking. I'm not going to play this interview, but this was from Davos in relation to CBDC, central bank digital currencies. This is, I believe, the governor of India, which is interesting as well. Yes, again, I'm too bullish. Thank you very much to everybody that subscribed to the X page. Grayscale has already sold more than 100,000 Bitcoin, yet we are still seeing trading above 41K. Very, very nice to see that. Scaramouche, the mooch. Reminder that Bitcoin halving takes $7 billion out of the market. ETFs are good for 10 to 15 billion. It's going to be very hard years for naysayers that don't understand math. I totally agree. Yes, Bitcoin has outperformed gold by an absolute freaking mile. That is very, very bullish. Anyway, I'm out of here, bulls. Yes, I'm still bullish on my favorite coins. Utility is king, in my opinion, and I cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. It will. It's done it before. It'll do it again. Everyone just needs to be very, very patient and optimistic, all right? Anyway, go join the Wall Street Bull University. No messing around in there, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out, bulls. Bye.